Hi guys, Charles here and welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, please subscribe to get all my latest videos. In today's video, I'm going to review the itel it5081. Shout out to Jacksaphone Gulu. I got this phone from them, so if you're in Gulu, you can just get this phone from them. So this is itel model it5081. And of course it is a little bit unique because it comes with a triple SIM card slot, and then we have the real Java. When you check on the box, it's showing it has 12 months warranty period, but of course in the receipt I saw they had given me like 3 months warranty period. For this phone, for a feature phone like this, to me that would be really fair. Looking at the box still, we can see the resolution, and of course it has 2.4-inch screen. It supports stuff like Facebook, Opera Mini. The body is slim, rear camera, bright touch. The battery arms is 1200, and then we have the 64 megabytes ROM and plus the 64 megabytes RAM, but of course it supports up to 32 GB external memory. It has Bluetooth /USB port earphone jack. So without wasting much time, let's just open the box and see what we will get. So upon opening the box, you will be welcome with a brand new phone, and of course I had actually already opened it. That's why you're seeing that there was some sticker supposed to be here, but let's keep on opening the box and see more things that we are going to get. This is how you actually open your box, and okay, you'll also see there's a charger. So you only get the phones and of course the charger. So that's all you get. This is itel it5081. This is a good phone, especially if you want to, if you want a simple phone. So let's power it on and see how it looks like. If you want to power on, you need to press this. Right, I don't know if you can see my screen so well, but these are actually the languages, and option number 1 is English. So for me, I would go with English since I understand English so well. And then you can also select your time zone. This depends on your city actually. So for me, I'm like that's like Kampala, because I'm in Uganda, and of course I'm doing this review from Uganda. I'll either do Kampala or select East African time zone. So for now, just for the demonstration, I'll just select any, because I seems to not find like the exact one that I want. So let me just select Nairobi for now, and then you can see this is how your phones looks like. So you can get to set it. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Let me know what you think. Share, like. Thank you.